What we gonna do, yeah? What we gonna do, yeah? Oh Lord, so do something to me with Ramajay. I go up them like a. You know that, only on a job, girl. Find somebody and wine in the man. Under the rum, you wine it. All in Miami, come in. Under the rum, we bucket. Do something to me with. With spice. Where can I? What the artists are? Artists, falling up. Jumping together now. Management, the artists on the left side of the truck. We getting ready for the stage. Ramajay, drink up. This is Ramajay. The show must go on. Anyway, the first section, give it up. Oh God, there we go. We ready? Cut. Stop the music. Cut. Mega, hold on. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we need our sections to get together. We're going through the gates. We're about to enter the gates in about 5 minutes. So we need all masqueraders to get in your sections. Now what we're gonna do is let the truck go first. And masqueraders, we need you to the left, or we need them to the right side. We need masqueraders to the right side, while the truck there to the left side. So I'm gonna call out all the sections clearly, so you can understand what I'm saying. All right? This is Ramajay Mass for 2023 in Miami Carnival. And you know when we come through here, or we forward through here, it's always a winning situation. So I need all my section leaders to organize the sections, and let's do this the proper way. All right, I need you listen. The second section is Siwa Oasis. The third section is Aziza. Section number 4. No music. Bang up. We are about to approach the gates. We are not playing any music because we need you guys to focus.
Moroccan heat.
We should do that first because it sounds real nice. So we can do that first.
Moroccan heat.
And then I will repeat. Alright, all masqueraders to the right side. The truck is going to the left as we enter the gates.